Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to play games on PlayStation app. So let's get into the video. Open up your PS app and log into your account. So once you've logged into your account here, so you can go to your console option tab here. So click on the console, and under purchased or played you can look for the games that you have played or you purchased and then select that game. Or else you can also go to your PS Store here and then look for the game that you wish to play. You can search that, or else you have your search menu here as well. If you go to the search tab here, you can search for the game that you want to play, and then once you find that game you can add it to your library. So once it's already on your library here, so for example I'll go to my console here. So click on the console option. So here I'll see the games that I've purchased. For example, this one here, I'm just going to open it up, and then once I've opened it up, so what I have to do now is simply download it to my console. So I'm just make sure that my console is logged in, so I have to log into my console, and then once I've logged in, so hit on download to console. So this will now download the game to the console, and then simply, if you have not linked it, hit on the link console, and then all you have to do is just link your console, but just make sure that your console is logged in within the same username. So once I've logged in, and then select console and hit on select console and then link it with your console, and then that's it. You can start playing through your console. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.